Cambo manufacture a range of high quality video rigs for digital video cameras and DSLRs. In this video I want to show you the features of the Cambo 15mm rods and the CS-151 Perpendicular rod clamp. Here is the short length rod. It's approximately 90mm. As you can see, there are grooves cut into the edge, which is a profile. The reason why we have this profile is that you can actually use this to click stop the rods into a position, so when you reach for your video rig from your camera bag, you can very quickly click stop the rods when you're using a CS-151 perpendicular clamp. I'll show you how this is put together now. Here's the CS-151 perpendicular rod clamp which we'll be using. As you can see, it's got a section there, 15mm here and here. But inside of the rod clamp is a ball bearing here. That's where it will locate into the groove inside the rods. So we have a very basic rig setup. If we connect up the perpendicular rod clamp and lock into place, we can move this around the rod, and as you can hear, there's a positive click on the end of those rods. Now obviously it's completely out of position, so we'd have to lock this off and then undo the rod in a rig and turn this into the position that you want. So I prefer it to have it somewhere down here. We can then lock that off, and then as you can see now, it clicks in the position that you've placed it in. So what we'll do then is lock this off and do the same with a side rod, simply by pushing that in here, and you can hear the clicks. That's clicked into place, and now we have a rod that's now preset and pre-clicked into position. So for example, if you were to add another perpendicular rod here and extend it, we then put a shoulder pad at the end. So it's a quick and easy way of picking out your rig from your gadget bag, putting your DSLR on the unit, and very quickly clicking these parts into place to put your shoulder pad into place. As I said, it's the CS-151 perpendicular rod clamp. The rods come in various sizes from 90mm to 460mm, so there's plenty of different size rods available depending on the size of your frame and how far you want the shoulder pad to be positioned.